Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive.
This is day 44, and today we are looking at how we can make use of Excel as a presentation tool. So you can see on my screen here, I have sort of used a full screen to display my Excel workbook. By default, Excel screen comes like this, and the printable area is very small, and you can't display a lot of items on one screen. You either have to scroll around or you have to zoom in your workbook so that your audience can see everything on one screen. But then if you zoom in too much also, you run a risk that the audience might not be able to see clearly your data. So how can you change Excel, or how can you make Excel be useful as a presentation tool? First things first, so why would you want to use Excel as a presentation tool? So we know that PowerPoint is the best presentation tool we have. However, the challenge is that if you want to make an engaging presentation where you can be able to change certain variables and the viewers can see what change each variable can make, it is very difficult to make use of PowerPoint presentation. So Excel might be the best tool, which also have calculations inbuilt in it so that you can make use of them and be able to change your visualizations dynamically as you change the variables. So how can you increase the screen size and also make your workbook clean so that viewers cannot get distracted whilst they are watching your presentation? So the first thing you would want to do is to get rid of these Excel boxes here. So to remove them, you go to your View tab and click on or uncheck grid lines. After that, you would want to perhaps remove these headings there. So you don't want these headings there. So you just uncheck also headings. And the formula bar, you don't want it unless you want to also show your viewers the formulas you are using. But in a normal presentation, you wouldn't want the formula bar. Then the last thing is to hide this ribbon here, which is eating up some space, and you might not even want to use it in the presentation. So to hide it, you just go to your to this arrow here, which says ribbon display options. Then you click here and you say auto hide ribbon. Then this gives you so much area to present on, and you can now see the full picture of your dashboard or your presentation, so that when you start changing your variables, all the visualizations can just be seen on one page. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.